Hello, my name is Pedro, and today I will show you the most relevant shortcuts to speed up your workflow in Pro Tools. I'm using Windows, but the shortcuts for both Windows and Mac will be displayed in this video. To start recording, first enable the track you want to record, and then press 3 on the numeric pad. To stop recording, press spacebar. To move a selected region to the previous track, press P. To move to the next track, press semicolon. As an example, you can select a region of a clip, then copy it using Ctrl+C, and then use P or semicolon to move the cursor to another track and then paste it. Another example, you can select a region and then press Shift-P or semicolon to select multiple tracks, and then delete that region on all selected tracks. There are many more applications for this feature. To locate the cursor to the edge of the next clip, press Tab. Or Ctrl-Tab to move to the previous clip. These allow you to quickly navigate between multiple clips. The Tab to Transient button should be disabled. If enabled, then the cursor will move to the next transient when pressing Tab. Or to the previous transient when pressing Ctrl-Tab. You can also use Start Tab to select the next clip, or Start Ctrl-Tab to select the previous clip. To change a value on any parameter in small steps, press Ctrl and click and drag with the mouse. So, for instance, not using Ctrl, using Ctrl. By using Ctrl, the changes are much more subtle. The same applies, for example, in the mixer. Not using Ctrl, using Ctrl. And the same applies on most parameters you will find in Pro Tools. The trimmer tool has 3 different modes. Press F6 until you see this symbol. This tool is used to quickly select the time stretch tool that allows you to expand or compress the duration of a clip. Let's try it. That's all for today. If you found this video useful, let me know in the comments. See you on the next one.